Hi friends, this is the new product that I received to test, and you can see this product is for USB charging and it have 4 USB ports that can be used. Now based on the design, you can see the smooth surface that comes with it. It comes with the charging cable that will attach with it, and then some plastic holders that you can put to store or to make the device stand. In the back you can see that there is a rubber grips that will hold the table. This is the smooth pads on the top that will hold the mobile or your tablet so that it will not scratch. These is the high quality plastic tabs that will insert into these holes. So you can see this really good, nice inside, and there is no slippage and stuff. So I will put at least 2 of them so that you can see how it holds the mobile, and then I will show it to you. Based on the quality, it really good because it is sturdy and solid. In between each is a rubber pad that can actually goes to hold it. They are the USB ports, so there are 4 USB ports and one the charging cable that comes with it. So we can put this charging cable, and I will put that into the electric socket so that you can see how it looks when it comes. So this is the Clever Bright 4-port charger, and this is the instruction manual. The instruction manual is in English and pretty straightforward to use, so there is nothing more tricky as I'm showing you right now. And you can see like it can keep on your desk, keep it sturdy. These are the safety thing, like no overcharging, no overheating. It will stop. And as you can see, I put it in the electricity, and you can see the blue light, the LED lights that comes. So this also be used as a night lamp when it is near to your desk or your bed. And this is for iPhone charging lightning cable I'm using right now. So this start charging my iPhone, and I can just put my iPhone in between these two. So no scratch, nothing. It holds well, and you can put like 4 devices to charge. The USB port is working. So overall this is used to be tidy desk and just charge your 4 devices at one time. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box.